I'm sitting here by the river in my backyard this morning, and I was just letting that whole time of nurturing nature retreat unfold for me. All of the beautiful things, all of the fun things, all of the challenging things, and the more, I'll say, serious things, and the spiritual things, and the creative things, and the human interactions, and the unfolding that, at least for me, continues. And I love to feel that in its entirety, and how it's just this interwoven, this beautiful interwoven fabric of life in this time that we chose, each one of us, to set aside for respite. And in that respite, there was also the ever ongoing transformation. And doing all that dance every day, oh, the dance of life, woo, yes. And also, for me, I will share that the day that I knew was going to be powerful, but I had no idea how much so, was Tuesday. We had the kintsugi or kintsukuroi, creative exploration, spiritual practice in the morning, the mending with gold. And then in the afternoon, the blessing of each other. That just hit me like a ton of bricks. It's just that I hadn't thought about how it might affect me. And that just was breathtaking. And then followed up by the honoring of the autumn equinox, for me, was equally as powerful. And one thing that was particularly beautiful was that I noticed as I was stepping across the threshold, looking forward, Cindy had moved around from behind me so I could see her out of the corner of my eye. And it made me think, yes, we don't step across a threshold alone. There are souls, there are hearts waiting for us as we step across that threshold. Blessings.